Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of how to add a custom cookie. So this is the page and we are creating page object and opening this URL, and here we want to add a cookie. So name is company, its value is NDI, and we can pass path, and that is root. So let's try to add this cookie, and this is the method add cookie of the page class that is doing the task of adding custom cookie. Let's add custom cookie. By the way, custom cookie should be in dictionary format like this: name, value pair, and path optionally. So after adding cookie, let's get all the cookies list, and we will see if our cookie is present there or not. So also we will print value of our cookie using the get cookie method, page.get cookie, and our name is company. So let's run the test and see the output. --, key, and then test method name. So test started running. Browser instance spun up and open the URL, add the cookie, and see. Let's see the report. And in report we can see our cookie is added. Yeah, I can see this is cookie value. Okay, here is our cookie, company, path, and its value NDI. You can see. Domain is this one. This is cookie value. Name is company. We can get the cookie value. And here, if we see, this is our cookie in the list of all the cookies. Its value is, we can see, if we go scroll ahead, we can see its value NDI, right? Here. Thank you.